time I get really mad at my husband for passing away.
Oh, yeah.
Because he would have broken something.
Yeah. Yeah. He got away in,
Yeah,
huh?
for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Be hot and I'll be able to get inside. Alright, we're unlocked. Well, we're picked. Now we just gotta get it back over in the right direction without locking back.
Unbelievable.
There you go. Just like that.
So worth it. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I so appreciate it. I was up in Sheridan, which is more the northeast. Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
It was
Thank you.
no problem. That was a
Thank you. I
pleasure.
appreciate it.
You're
And I-
very